Okay, lawn fans, are you ready? So let's talk about the lawn. It's the 4th of July, and she is ready for her appearance on social media. And you ready? With no further ado, boom, there she is. I pushed iron and micronutrients. This is not paint that you can just go and pick up off the shelf at Home Depot, Lowe's, or whatever. This is marking paint. If you go and get a latex spray paint and spray your yard, you're gonna kill your grass. But there she is. There's my neighbor screaming. Stripes. Now, if this is the first time you're watching my channel, I started doing this about 5 years ago, just with a couple lines and white stars. And then I moved into doing a couple rows, 3, now 4 rows of red, white, and blue. And there she is, boys and girls. Now let's talk about the putting green real quick. All right, error on my part is I verticut this way too many times, and I verticut it way too early in the season, and it messed the growth up for the entire season up to this point. So I've got a couple options. One, I can scalp it down to dirt and cut into the crown, which is gonna mess the whole surface up. Or I can lift my blade up a notch. This is, I call it a putting green, but it's more of a chipping green. I can lift the blade up one notch, let it grow in, it'll look nice. Raise the fringe up a notch and it'll look nice, and that's what I'm gonna go with. So, now I'm gonna tell you real quick, last year at this time, the lawn was greener. And I used a product that pushed growth, and it also had a high iron content in it. The problem with that is it looked good for 2-3 days, and then when it came time to cut it, it didn't look good anymore because it pushed so much growth so quick. Even with PGR, I could not manage the maintenance on it and keep it nice and green. So I did not do that this year. This year I kept to my fertilization schedule. I just did minor nutrients, and put down iron on it, and that's it. And I'm gonna be pleased with this in a couple weeks still. And that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome 4th of July. Stay safe. Bermuda Brian, out.